Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for August 25, 2020. If you look at the SPY, it is the SP 500 ETF chart. So after the market be able to break the all-time high and the last 2 days, they continue to put it higher every day. So at this moment, the trend is still up. We still stick with the uptrend. So if you look at the other index, or the E-mini SP 500, they still in the uptrend as you can see here, and the Dow a little bit fall behind, but seem like they go up. They try to pull back down to retest where they break out, and if they can hold the momentum, they will continue to fight the way up. And the NQ is pretty strong. They are still put it back up every day in the high. And the Russell 2000 is a little bit fall behind. They try to get out here to break out of the flat pattern here, and then they can find a way to put it back up in the upside. Gold is have been going down in the sideways correction, so they have some support and then they bow back up. They have a support, they bow back up, but let's see, they still continue to put it back down to retest the buy zone here, or they could hold up here and find a way to go higher. And the oil, it try to break out of the resistance line. They try to put it back up. If they can carry the momentum, they should be able to fill up the gap or hit to the moving average on the way go up here. And the bond, it continue to the downside. They go back, they test the blue box here, they couldn't go higher, and now they turn around and continue to go lower. So if you are a day trader, you can see that this morning when the market opened at 6:30 Pacific time, they introduced and they slam it down, and we guide all our members to take a short here down to the bottom here, and they take a rebound, and then they can trade in the right direction of the market. And after I finish our live trading room, I jump in, take a bow here from here to the top, make some quick daily income. The net profit for today is $1,505, and after that the market be able to break out here later today and continue to go up until they test a sell zone, and then they give up here again. Okay, if you have been following me, a lot of stock that we analyzed in 30 over the weekend. For example, Amgen, it just break out, find a way up. MCD, McDonald's is still doing very well, and Visa, another one, is still doing well, and a lot of stock like Target is still going up. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So if you would like to learn more about our method, how to make some extra daily income as well as the swing trade, so you can stay in the trade longer and make more profit, and please check out our website at stocknavigator.com. And if you like what I'm doing here for you, please give me a thumb up and sign up with our YouTube channel and subscribe to it, so every time we have a new video we will let you know, so that you can see where the market is heading to. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.